Hello and welcome back to AP Computer Science Principles. Today we are doing the Khan Academy exercises on bitrate and bandwidth. Let's go ahead and get started. Josiah used a tool to measure how many bits he could transfer over his home connection to the internet. This table shows the bits transferred each second. According to those measurements, what is the bandwidth of the connection? Well, remember from the last video that the bandwidth is the absolute maximum speed that a connection can go, and with the data that we've got to say 1100 because that is the highest number. A new high school is built and needs to be connected to the internet. The IT administrator found these 4 local providers for internet services. So which of these comparisons between the providers is correct? Final Link can transfer 100 times more data per second than BeyondNet. Oh goody, math in my computer science class. Well, we knew it was going to happen. No, from 100 to 1,000 is times 10, not times 100, so A is wrong. BeyondNet can transfer 5 times more data per second than SpectralWeb. No, BeyondNet can do twice as fast as SpectralWeb. C, SpectralWeb can transfer 2 times more data per second than TopSat. 50 is twice 25, so I think that's going to be our answer. TopSat can transfer 4 times more than BeyondNet. No, it's the other way around. BeyondNet is 4 times faster than TopSat. So C is our answer. A new internet provider, ZumiZumi, is creating advertising that focuses on the bandwidth of their connections. Which of these slogans has the correct unit? Sign up now for a bandwidth of 50 megabits per second. Well, that's correct, but let's look at the rest of them. 50 seconds per megabit would mean that it takes almost a minute just to get 1 megabit downloaded. That would be awful. Milliseconds is a unit of time. Megabits is just a unit of storage. The answer is A, megabits per second. Number of bits divided by time. In 2015, the nation of Burundi had an average bandwidth per internet connection of 11.24 kilobits per second. In 2016, their average bandwidth was 6.91 kilobits per second. Which statement is true? So in 2016, it was slower by a fair margin than in 2015. I wonder what happened. But regardless, internet connections in Burundi in 2016 had to wait longer for packets to arrive than connections in Burundi in 2015. That is very tempting, but it's not correct. When you're talking about how long it takes packets to arrive, you're not talking about bandwidth, you're talking about latency. So be very careful, and this is going to be a recurring theme throughout the rest of this entire course. Make sure you read the wording carefully because it can be tricky. D, internet connections in Burundi in 2015 were able to transfer more bits per second than connections in 2016, and that is correct. In 2015, it was 11.24. In 2016, it was 6.91. And that is the exercise set on bitrate and bandwidth. If you have any questions, please do put them in the comments. I will do my best to get to all of them. Until next time, thanks for watching.